Hi, and welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I am participating in a DIY Christmas centerpiece challenge, and this one's hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix and Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. I chose to do this very simple yet festive centerpiece. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, please keep watching. Alright, this is all we're going to need for our centerpiece. These are just some branches that I spray painted. I'll show a little clip of that. And I added a little bit of glitter, of course. And then this is just a wreath, one of those grapevine wreaths that I covered most of the way in the garland that you can get from the Dollar Tree. But I wanted some of the grapevine exposed. I just thought that looked really cool. And then I got these from the Dollar Tree. I'll probably end up adding a little bit more glitter because you can never have enough glitter. And then I'm going to paint a couple of the pine cones and add glitter. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them. I'm going to try them out, see if I like them. And then this is going to be for like a snow effect. This will be for the table. And then this is going to be also for the little centerpiece. I'm going to put them in the glass jar. These I'm just going to use, I'm going to hot glue this onto them just so it gives it a little bit of height. This is what I used on the branches, and I'm not sure what I did with the glitter, but yeah, I'll show that as I do it. So yeah, that's about all you'll need. I started off by spray painting a couple of branches. I went with silver and white, and I also wanted to add a little bit of glitter because what's Christmas decor without too much glitter? And I just put some glue on my finger because it just spreads easier that way instead of having big globs of it. And then I'm going to take just the finer glitter at first. And then I'll take some of the bigger chunks. And it looks really pretty when it's done because it catches in the light and it's just so shiny. I don't know if you guys can see that, how shimmery it is. It's hard to catch on camera. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing with the white branch, except with the white branch I'm only going to use the finer glitter so that it doesn't obviously look like glitter, even though it is. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll use the big chunks. Who doesn't love glitter, right? Besides our husbands. I don't know about you guys, but my husband hates when I use glitter. He says he finds it for days everywhere, which he does. I decided to go with a red tablecloth to start with, and then I just laid the wreath in the center of the table, and then took those wooden pieces that I showed you in the beginning and hot glued the vase to those just to give it a little bit of height so it kind of poked out of the fake snow. Then I just added some of the bulbs into the vase, and those were the bulbs that I got from the Dollar Tree, and along with the painted branches. I wanted a burlap runner, but I didn't have like a full long piece to go across the table, but I did have two shorter pieces, so I just tucked it under the wreath, and you can't even really tell that it's not one long piece. Then I just added the snowflakes and the bulbs to the branches, which I didn't realize you couldn't see the top part of the branches as I was recording, so I apologize. And I recorded when I painted and glittered the pine cones, but after I added them to the wreath, it just didn't look right. It kind of looked a little bit cluttery. So I'm going to save those for another project, maybe another DIY. So here's the finished look with the red tablecloth, and I really like how it turned out. What do you guys think? I also did the same look with a white tablecloth, and I like them both, but I think the white has a little bit more of a rustic glam look to it, which I think I like a little bit better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I really enjoyed doing this challenge because Christmas is one of my favorite holidays to decorate for. Well, I hope you guys liked this challenge, and I will leave the playlist link below so that you can check out all the other Christmas centerpieces. And I want to thank Jessica and Antoinette for hosting this challenge, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.